Hi, this is Narayana from Sunday Technologies. Today I am going to discuss Armstrong number for 3-digit numbers in Java. This is continuation to previous video, part 35. Count even and odd numbers in an array in Java. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is Armstrong number? Here we have 153. This number contains 1, 5, 3. The sum of cubes of individual digits is equal to 153. Then 153 is Armstrong number. Here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equal to 153. Here we have other number 1634. It contains 1, 6, 3, 4. The sum of quadruple of individual digits equal to 1634. Then 1634 is Armstrong number. Here 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal to 1634. If you want to get individual digits from a number, then we need to use modulus and division operator. Here we have input number 153. 153 divided by 10 will get quotient as 15 and remainder as 3. In second iteration, we will take 15 and divide by 10. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 5. We will take 1 and divide by 10. Here quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here we are getting individual digits from 153 like 3, 5, 1. We will discuss this logic over IntelliJ. Launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is read input from command prompt. System.out.print. Please provide input number. Create object for scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner and pass system.in. Declare a variable to store input value. Int input equal to sc.nextInt. Int temp equal to input. Int result equal to 0. We'll use temp variable to find given number is Armstrong or not. While temp not equal to 0. Int remainder equal to temp modulus 10. Result plus equal to remainder into remainder temp equal to temp divided by 10. If input equal to result, system dot out dot println input plus is Armstrong number. Copy this statement, else paste here is not Armstrong number. Execute this code, go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 153, enter. 153 is Armstrong number. Go to run, click on run main. 121, enter. 121 is not Armstrong number. We will debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on debug main. Later click step into or F7. Click on debug main. Click on console. F7. Read input. Here 153. Enter. Input is equal to 153. 153 stored in temporary variable. Now temp is equal to 153. 153 not equal to 0. True. Here 153 modulus 10. We'll get remainder as 3. Later remainder into remainder. That means 3 into 3 into 3 will get 27. 27 stored into result variable. The result is equal to 27. Here temp is equal to 153. 153 divided by 10. We'll get temp is equal to 15. This is quotient. F7. Here 15 not equal to 0, true. 15 modulus 10. Here remainder is equal to 5. Here 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 125 plus 27. Result is equal to 152. 15 divided by 10. Quotient is 1. 1 not equal to 0, true. Later 1 modulus 10. Remainder is 1. Here remainder is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. That means 1. 152 plus 1, 153. Later 1 divided by 10 will get 0. Here temp is equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0. False. It exits from while loop. Now input is equal to 153. Result is equal to 153. 153 equal to 153. True. 153 is Armstrong number. And here we are getting output as 153 is Armstrong number. This logic will be used to find Armstrong number for 3 digits. If you want to find Armstrong number for 4 digits, here we need to multiply 4 times into remainder. Go to run, click on run main. Please provide input number 1634. Enter. Here 1634 is Armstrong number. Here this logic is hard coded. We need to write generic logic to find Armstrong number for any numbers. So we will discuss generic logic in the future video. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.